Bobble stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook into next stitch. Yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. Yarn over and insert hook into same stitch. Yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. Repeat same process until we have 6 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops at once. Now to create bobble, do single crochet in next chain. Woohoo, done! Let's make one more. Make a SC in next chain. Yarn over. Insert hook in next chain. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. Insert hook in same stitch and repeat same process. Until we have 6 loops left. Once we have 6 loops, yarn over and pull through 6 loops. Make a single crochet in next stitch. See, it's super easy.